My name is Irina Bjorna and I'm a wellness coach. Today it's end of February and I have these flowers from Valentine's Day from my husband, and I'm very pleased that he came with this day with about 50 roses, different colors. It was very nice, and we celebrate the Valentine's Day of love. I hope your Valentine's Day was also very good. And today we talk about the hair again. We have one program about the hair, how you can improve, especially on winter, when it's cold and we are inside the houses and we have electrical heating and air is not so fresh. Our hair start to be more vulnerable. Our hair have not so much quality, sometimes it's falling too much in the winter time and not growing so quick as we would like. We need to help our hair. One of the things what you can help, I already talked about this, it's the good diet for hair. Hair needs some B vitamins also and good fresh fruit and vegetables. Not only, it also touch, as we talked before, you can knock a little bit the roots of your hair. It's really good, relaxing your eyes also. And it's not enough. When I was in Australia, I learned about the little device which is here. You can buy this very cheap, $1-2. And in fact, it's an Aborigine people from Australia who developed this. And this device was made in the beginning from the wood and the branches of the tree, which is they just attach. And then they massage each other. They put this in the top and start to massage very slowly. It comes down and a little bit twist, comes down, up, twist, comes down, up, twist, comes down, up, twist, comes down. Very relaxing, very nice. And it's also improve your eyes, because as much you relax your scalp have a lot of tension. Because when we have the task in the computer, so everything is like a very rigid. And then we need to relax. This is help you to relax. It's a really good device. In my house, it's staying close to the TV, and in the evening when I watch the evening news, I massage myself because it's very relaxing and good. 5 minutes per day, it's enough. It's one of the secret, this massage. Another thing, when I was in Germany, I saw this device, which is look like first device, but a little bit different. So you can make your shape, even you can make bigger. If you have bigger scalp, you can just adjust what is your size here. But if have the button here, and it's a 2 speeds, number 1, number 2, we just press the button number 1 and it start to vibrate. We make the same massage, but make a little bit more slowly and vibrate all of the roots of the hair. It's good to have at home, maybe it's good to have in the hair salons. So I don't know, but it's a therapy, it's good therapy also. I use this for myself. How long I use this? Not so much, because if you overdo something, so it will be negative reaction. So it's about 2-3 minutes per day, it's enough. And if you have partner to do this job, it's even better. So you can relax just. I do this myself. So, and then just press the button, close the device, and it takes not enough space, so you can put to any places. So you see that it's my hair start to come up. And what I say that if I use these devices at least 1-2 minutes per day, in the winter time, my hair is growing faster. What means faster? When the patient come to my clinic, I ask 2 questions. How fast is growing your nails and your hair? Because if you have the growing in your body, like nails and hair still is growing, it means that you have good health. Because when you start to be older, so your nails growing not so much and your hair not so much. And if it's a signal for me that how is your cells functioning. It's very important. So usually in the good months here should have 1 centimeter growth. So it's for the whole year about like this 12-15 centimeter it should grow up. But in the winter time it slows down because of we are inside the houses, because electrical heating, computers, electricity, not so much fresh air, not so much fresh fruits, so it's a lot of influence. But we can improve if we massage and do this with the different devices. Then books for easy living and nice, easy people. And Irina Bjorna, your wellness coach online. So if you would like to have your personal session, it's not so expensive, $50. So for session about 20-25 minutes. So and just catch me on Skype. Yeah. Hi. See you again in our next program about interesting devices, methods and different things which exist in the world, and all what I preach is what I try for myself. It's not only theory, it's always practical. See you later. Bye.